Hi folks, this is question 11. Write down the distance marked x on the diagram. Right, well it's 3 boxes, so I imagine if you just write down 3, it'll get us some marks. So our scale says that 1 centimeter is worth 0.5 meters, and I assume that every box is a centimeter. So the distance on the diagram is 3. If we multiply it by 0.5, because every centimeter is 0.5, so that gives us 1.5 meters. Work out the actual perimeter of the flower bed. Right, well, if we just get it in centimeters first, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If we just write down 10 centimeters, that will get us some marks, but they want the actual perimeter. So again, we have to multiply by 0.5, and that will give us 5, and it's in meters, because each of the centimeters is worth 0.5 meters. Right, she wants to put a vegetable patch in the garden. The vegetable patch will be rectangular with a length of 3 meters and a width of 1.5 meters. Draw the vegetable patch in a position on the diagram on the previous page so that it does not overlap with the shed or the flower bed. So it has a length of 3 meters. Therefore, that would be 6 centimeters when we apply the scale to it. And 1.5 meters would be 3 centimeters on the map. So the 3 meters, that's the real distance. But if you multiply that by 2, that gives us what it would be on the map. And the same with the 1.5. So we just want 6 by 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. So that will do there. Right, Tanya decides to plant cabbage in the vegetable patch. She reads that each cabbage needs a space of 0.3 meters by 0.3 meters. According to this, what is the maximum number of cabbages that she should plant in the vegetable patch? Remember that the vegetable patch will have a length of 3 meters and a width of 1.5 meters. Right, well, the patch area is 3 multiplied by 1.5. So 3 meters multiplied by 1.5 meters. That gives us 4.5 meters. So that's the full area in meters. All right, we could look at it in centimeters either, but we'll look at it in meters. And the area per cabbage is 0.3 multiplied by 0.3, and that gives us 0.09. So that's how much area we have. That's how much each cabbage is. So we just do 4.5 divided by 0.09, and that will give us 50. So 50 cabbages.